Hello viewers, welcome to the another segment of Microwave. I am Professor Aditya De. In this segment we are going to discuss microwave passive components. In our earlier discussion, we already discussed directional coupler, E-plane T and H-plane T. In this segment we are going to discuss Magic T. The Magic T has 4 ports and it consists of E-arm and H-arm. We already discussed E-plane T and H-plane T or E-arm and H-arm earlier. Let us have a recap. In E-plane T, signal will enter through the port 3 and the output will be generated from the port 1 and the port 2. But in this case, the signal at the port 1 and the port 2 are 180 degree out of phase. That means they are in opposite direction. Now let us discuss H-plane T. In H-plane T, the signal will enter through the port 3 and from the output that you will get from port 1 and from the port 2 and the output will be in same direction. That means they are in the same phase. When you combine this E-plane T and H-plane T together, it will become a Magic T. Now let us discuss the S matrix of the Magic T. The S matrix will be B1, B2, B3, B4 is equal to 0, 0, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. This is your first row. The second row will be 0, 0, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. The third row will be 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 0, 0. The fourth row will be 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, 0, 0 into A1, A2, A3, A4. You are already aware of that B1, B2, B3, B4 are the output signal or power and A1, A2, A3, A4 are the input signal or power. Let us simplify the matrix of the Magic T. In this case, B1 will be 1 by root 2 into A3 plus A4. B2 will be 1 by root 2 A3 minus A4. B3 will be 1 by root 2 A1 plus A2 and B4 will be 1 by root 2 A1 minus A2. Now there are two cases. In case 1, if A3 is not equal to 0 but A1 is equal to A2 is equal to A4 is equal to 0. In this case, B1 will be A3 by root 2 and B2 will be A3 by root 2 and B3 is equal to B4 is equal to 0. In case 2, if A4 is not equal to 0 but A1 is equal to A2 is equal to A3 is equal to 0. In this case, B1 is equal to A4 by root 2, B2 is equal to minus A4 by root 2. Obviously, B3 is equal to B4 is equal to 0. Now let us discuss the application of the Magic T. Magic T can be used to measure impedance. Magic T can be used in duplexer. Magic T can be used as a mixer. Magic T can be used in microwave bridge, in microwave discrimination. Let us discuss another microwave passive component which is known as rat race. Rat race consists of 4 ports. The first port is port B. The second port is port A or the sum port. The third port is port C. And the fourth port is port D or delta port. Now let us discuss the distance between the ports one by one. The distance between the port B and the port D is 3 lambda by 4 or 270 degree. The distance between the port B and the port A is lambda by 4 or 90 degree. The distance between the port A and the port C is lambda by 4 or 90 degree. And the distance between the port C and the port D is also lambda by 4 or 90 degree. The S matrix of the rat race will be 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0. as it is a 4-port device, so S matrix will be 4 cross 4. The application of the rat race is in mixer and is in phase shifter. Microwave flange is as shown. The microwave flange is used in between the two waveguides. It is used in between the two waveguides because the signal can be moved smoothly from the one waveguide to the another waveguide. It is basically used to join two waveguides. That is all for this segment. Practice the S matrix and all the passive component very carefully. Thank you, students. Bye.